Hello and welcome back. This is the Porsche Diesel Junior 108 tractor in 1/24 scale from Revell. As you can see, this is 76 parts and also it's an easy click kit, so there is no need for gluing or painting should you want to. We've got some information about it in a few different languages. See Porsche Diesel Motorenbau GmbH from the late 1950s. With detailed engine, plug-in kit, no gluing necessary, opening bonnet, two different seat versions on the rear wheel arch. So we've got some instructions, lots of red parts, some white and black parts, some decals, transfers, wheels, tyres I should say, some chrome parts, and some warning information there. So, the instructions. Standard symbols there on a Revell kit. Optional colours, so there's actually not too many on there. The parts. So there you can see how the goes together. Got things like the battery, the headlights. Lots of this is exposed. We've got the wheels. Push that all together. You've got stickers and decals in this kit, so you've got a choice. So, yep. Optional seats there. And you can open the bonnet or not. And you've got all the decal and sticker placements all over it. So big band with the red parts. So, one's fallen off there, look after that. So you can see we've got the halves of the bonnet, got these kind of foot plates, a couple of seats. These might cover the axles. Not an expert in tractors. Lots of pieces here, but they all seem to be very well moulded, no flash whatsoever. And if you wanted to leave it in red, you can do. These wheel arches, these are the sides of the engine, that's where the headlights go. Yeah, pretty good. There's a lot going on here considering it's a small kit. Also got this piece which I'll need to look after, don't know what that is. Got another small piece here, I think this is for the optional bench seat. So nice detail there with the open slats, and we've got a couple of headlights, and those are the only clear parts in the kit. So yeah, it's good so far. So we've got a small chrome sprue. So you've got this which goes down the middle of the bonnet, some other small parts which I think go inside, got this kind of tank, and then there's this sort of radiator which goes in the middle of the bonnet. Okay, look inside here. So, interestingly, this is actually a kind of cream colour, and I would be tempted to leave them like this because not everyone's going to have that colour paint. But yeah, bit of detail on those wheels, obviously big rear ones and small front ones. Then you've got that, which I presume is to hitch on trailers and things. Black sprue with steering wheel. Got a mirror there, I think that's the battery, and some other small parts, I think that's the number plate. And then we've got the tyres in here. You can see no sidewall markings, but very distinctive tractor tyres. That's good. So finally we've got the decals and the stickers. So I'll start with these stickers. As you can see, two different colour options for the Porsche logos. Lots of these red ones. A few number plate options, stickers like that. But yeah, obviously I would be using these instead. And so yeah, very nice cartograph decals here. Things like registration, sort of stickers, things like that. These that go on the lights. Lots of detail on those. These are very well printed. So yeah, those choices. So there we have it. Very unusual kit from Revell and a lot of detail for easy click. So if you were tempted to build a classic tractor, I think I could probably recommend this. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you soon.